Hello everyone, my name is Abhijit. Welcome to my YouTube channel Canvas of Musing, where emotion is energy in motion. Let's hit it. Hello everyone, the title of the musing is relationship, so let's begin. In the grandeur of existence, it takes only one relationship to really understand and resonate with each other's being. In the apocalypse of sunshine, it takes only one relationship to stand beside each other holding hands. In the reasoning of mind, it takes only one relationship to accentuate feelings of the throbbing heart. In the ups and downs of life, it takes the sip of relationship to communicate. It takes the sip of relationship to communicate and bring life into the safe harbor of loving ground. Thank you. So friends, as the title of the musing goes, relationship. So what exactly I am trying to convey over here? What is that in relationship that I want every one of you to know about? So the basic thing, the fundamental aspect of a relationship is this. So if you take the word relationship, it has two parts to it. One is relation, another is ship. So these two fundamental aspects one need to understand in order to understand the whole term relationship. So what I am stating in this musing, in the first part I stated in the grandeur of existence, it takes only one relationship to really understand and resonate with each other's being. What I wanted to convey over here, that every individual is unique, they do have their own individuality, but when there is a grand standing, when the stakes is at very high, it only takes one relationship, nothing more than that. It just takes only one relationship to really understand the individual personas, the personalities, and to come together in a very beautiful manner. So that is what I wanted to state in the first part. In the second part, I wanted to convey that in the apocalypse of sunshine, it takes only one relationship to really stand beside each other by holding hands. When the things are not coming together properly, as you wanted or as you wish to have, what happens? You need somebody or someone to resonate with, that you can hold hand, that you can share your emotions with, that you can release your pressure with, that you can have exchange your thoughts with, so that when the apocalypse is there, you can come out of it like a rising phoenix. So that is what I wanted to state over there. Then in the third part, what I wanted to state? In the third part, I wanted to state that in the reasoning of mind, it takes only one relationship to accentuate feelings of the throbbing heart. The key terms over here is the reasoning of mind and to accentuate the feelings of the throbbing heart. Reasoning, accentuate feelings. Those three are the key words. So the mind is basically more concerned with reasoning of everything, logical thinking, logic behind everything, but the heart is like more in feelings, more of emotion. So in the reasoning of mind, it takes one relationship. So when the relationship is there, the real bond is there and everything is going well, it takes that relationship to accentuate, to prioritize, to give that human feeling to this throbbing heart, because we all are alive because of this heart only. We humans are a bundle of emotion. So that is what I wanted to state over here. In the last part, what I wanted to state is in the ups and downs of life. Life is like a roller coaster. You have to dive in it, you have to go through it. But in that ups and downs, relationship acts like a ship, where communication is there, where passion is there, where love is there, everything goes into that relationship. In order to bring that life, that coexistent life, that life coexists with each other, two beings coexisting with each other, to come into the safe harbor, a place, safe harbor of a loving ground. From the turmoil of ocean, from the turmoil of sea, that boat of, that ship of relationship comes out safely into the loving harbor of this ground of love. So that is all about the musing relationship. I hope all of you like it. If you do, I would say that please connect, explore and manifest. Thank you.